Went up to the car show. They said they got couple of categories. They're like, oh, you only got one competition. You should come out away with something. Motherfucker, please look at this motherfucker, dog. Shit. Look like second place for me. This motherfucker is sweet, bro. Look at that shit. Fucking Terpskis. Corvettes came out hard to represent. Look at them.